Alright guys, my name is Aaron and this is a video teaching you how to buy Safemoon the cheapest and the easiest way possible. My name is Aaron. Be sure to like and comment and share this video with people who you want to get Safemoon. It's still at its very early stages. Right now Safemoon is 0.000002 cents for one Safemoon, and it's just growing by the hour really. And so I want to make this video for my friends who are interested in buying Safemoon. Okay, so here's the first thing. You're gonna need a trust wallet. You're gonna need access to the Binance Smart Chain, and then you're gonna need to go through PancakeSwap for the absolute best fees and the best way to buy this. First you have to do is on your phone that I got here, you go on the Apple Store, and then you download the Trust Wallet. And it should look like this, okay? This is the Trust Wallet. I have it already, so that's what you have to get. Sorry. I have it all, so this is it, okay? So when you download this, you're gonna have to just make your wallet, okay? Don't share your seed phrase with anyone. Just go through the motions and create it. Now, when you get it, you should have, I have 4 things at the bottom here: wallet, browser, DEX, and settings. You will probably only have a wallet, DEX, and settings. You won't have browser, and so there's another way to get that. And then, so here's what we do. From here, there's multiple ways to do this. You can transfer BNB from any other exchange, so like crypto.com or your Binance US account, or Coinbase. Just transfer BNB into this wallet, okay? When you transfer, and all you have to do is, hit receive, and then, select the coin that you're transferring. And when you get the BNB, after that, you're gonna wanna take your BNB and go to DEX, okay? Now, it's gonna have some other things. You wanna make sure that your yellow BNB is transferring into the Binance Smart Chain, okay? This is what you want. You wanna get into the Binance Smart Chain token. And so when you're doing that, and this is how much Safemoon I have. I have $1,600 worth of Safemoon, 519 million Safemoon. Okay, I'm ready for the moon safely. Anyway, that's the best way. If you are already on the Binance Smart Chain network like PancakeSwap, you could just transfer over. I liquidated my Pancake, and then I went over into the Binance, and I just transferred it over here. Whatever you need, however you get it, you need to get your Binance Smart Chain. You need that coin, this one right here. That is the coin you need. So if you have to transfer Bitcoin and then transfer it into and then DEX it, like if you have like let's say you have Ethereum, and you want Smart Chain. Oh wait, sorry. You could only get, sorry, this is it. You could only get Binance. Binance? Yeah, there we go. You could only get Binance, and you could only change it to Smart Chain. So you get, I want this, you pay BNB. There you go. This is what you want. You want Binance BNB to Binance Smart Chain. Remember, one is yellow, the regular one is yellow. You want the black one. You want that black one. Okay, so now you have money in your Binance Smart Chain as Binance Smart Chain tokens or coins. What then you have to do is you have to swap it on Pancake. Now, this is where you don't have this. You don't have this link, the browser. What you need to do is you need to go into Safari and type in, this link. And this is all on your phone, okay? This is all on your phone. Type in this link, paste. Trust, // browser _ enable. Okay, once you go there, the link will be in the description. Open this page in Trust. When you hit open, now that browser should be there, okay? When you go to browser, and then you're gonna have to go to PancakeSwap. So I don't know if you have it, so you could just search PancakeSwap and go to PancakeSwap.finance. And once you are in PancakeSwap.finance, this is where it gets interesting. You wanna hit these lines and go to trade and then exchange. And this is where you have to trade in your BNB here, right? You're gonna trade in BNB, and that's what should be popping up. And then you then type in here, Safemoon. Boom. So if you're not here, maybe I skipped a step. You need to make sure that this right here is your wallet. It needs to connect. So click that this top part right here at the very top, and make sure that is connected to your Trust wallet, okay? Make sure your Trust wallet is attached to that. And then you should see how much BNB you have right here. And then you type in Safemoon here. Now, last thing, this slippage tolerance, you need to make sure that is 11%. And the reason why is because it's not going to, the price fluctuates too quickly, especially at this low price. We'll never have this again. This video a year from now is going to be irrelevant, because there'll probably be easier ways to buy it. But right now, between now and like 2 weeks from now, this video will be key to making millionaires. And if you become a millionaire this way, please, please buy something nice for my daughter, okay? Buy something nice for my daughter or me. So then you just transfer and you hit max and you buy as much Safemoon as you possibly can. And then you hit enter amount. Now, what ends up happening is when you switch it, you could go to your wallet and then you've swapped successfully for Safemoon. Now, I have 519, blah, I'm bad at words, 519 million Safemoon. Here's the thing. If Safemoon, okay, I have 519 million, okay? If it goes to 0.04 cents, which a lot of predict that Safemoon can get there, I would have 20 million. Is that right? $20 million? That's like hard to comprehend. If that's wrong math, someone correct me, because this is crazy. That's what people predict by year's end. Safemoon, I'm going to make a separate video on all the ins and outs on why I invest in Safemoon, but for right now, my friends are already asking how to do this. This is how you do it, especially before it hits the exchanges. It's going to hit Binance. It's going to hit these other things. You need to buy it like this before it hits those exchanges, because then you'll see this price skyrocket. This is only for the next few weeks before in Q3 they get going into a new, Safemoon's marketing and stuff like that. Anyway, good luck, guys. I'll see you guys.